Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they'll try to catch them unawares.
Not this one, B2.
Let's try another, B1.
How can you tell when a watermelon is ready to eat bananas?
By the sound it makes, Amy.
What sound is that?
When you tap it and the watermelon sounds like this.
That means it's not ready yet.
So what is the sound, Bananas?
Hear that, Teddies?
We hear it!
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's watermelon eating time!
It looks delicious!
Let's eat!
Yum!
Scrumptious!
You know how to choose a terrific watermelon, Bananas.
Could we have some more, please, Lulu?
Don't eat too fast. When you eat too fast, you could get the hiccups. Oh dear, you did eat too fast. Bananas?
How did we get up here, B2?
I don't know, B1.
Gosh!
Those are serious hiccups.
How did we get down here, B1?
I don't know that either, B2.
The bananas have the biggest hiccups I've ever seen. They're bouncing around like ping pong balls.
They've got ping pong hiccups.
Here, bananas, have a glass of water.
Don't worry, we'll hold you down.
Having a big glass of water can help stop hiccups.
Someone once told me that you should suck your thumb.
We'll try anything.
And I heard that you should stand on one leg. And rubbing your tummy might help.
And someone also told me that hopping is good too.
Look out, bananas! Yow! Are you okay, bananas?
Yes, thanks, Amy.
And your hiccups? Have they stopped?
No, they haven't.
Aim for Rat's shop, bananas! He might have something to help you!
You know what the problem is here, Teddies?
What, Rat?
The bananas have ping-pong hiccups.
We know that, Rat. Can you help them?
Can I? I most certainly can. I have a very old and very secret hiccup cure.
Secret?
A cure passed down from rat to rat from long ago times. What you are about to see will amaze you. So be prepared.
My guess is that it's something to do with cheese.
Behold the cure for hiccups.
Cheese?
Cheese can do anything. Haven't you heard the saying, some cheese a day keeps the hiccups away?
No.
Well, you've heard it now. All you have to do, bananas, is nibble a little cheese, like this. Oh, so nice. Oh, mouth-watering. Oh, what a delight.
Rat, what about the bananas?
Oh, yes. the bananas. Just nibble away, bananas. Trust me, I'm a rat. That's it. Nibble away. Oh, what bliss.
How do you feel, bananas?
We feel banana-tastic.
And pajama-rific too!
That's amazing! Cheese can cure hiccups.
Of course it can. Cheese can do anything. Off you go, bananas. You're now completely cured.
Uh-oh.
Cheese and whiskers. This wasn't supposed to happen at all.
We're bananas, but they will stop you bouncing.
It's okay, Amy.
We understand.
Can you help, Charlie?
I might have the very thing to help with ping-pong hiccups.
Great idea, Charlie.
You're a clever, clever monkey. Almost as clever as a clever, clever rat.
Here it is.
What will that box do, Charlie?
You'll see, Bananas. We just have to wind it up and wait. I'm sorry about that, Bananas.
But a surprise can sometimes cure hiccups. And if we told you about it, it wouldn't have been a surprise.
But has it worked?
No, it hasn't.
Will these hiccups
Ever stop?
They will stop, Bananas. I just don't know when.
We must be able to do something.
But we've tried everything.
There's nothing else we can do.
That's it. That's what we should do. Let's do nothing.
Well, I can do that. I'm very good at doing nothing.
What I mean is, we do nothing about the hiccups, but we do something else. So the bananas will stop thinking about the hiccups.
And then the hiccups should go away by themselves.
Bananas, would you like to go and pick the rest of the watermelons?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am B2.
It's watermelon picking time!
This one's ready.
This one too.
And this one. Extraordinary.
Oh, there's nothing better than a little hard work in the garden on a beautiful day. After a nap, that is.
We have watermelons for all our friends.
Oh, be careful, bananas. Those watermelons are very heavy. The table might break.
A watermelon? For me? Wow! Would you like one of my honey cakes, Camembert?
Yes, please, darling. Look there. Well, I never.
Never, ever.
I'm coming. Oh, goodness me, what a treat.
It's raining watermelons!
Running fast as we can, sprinting hard over land, moving legs, heels and toes, pumping arms, watch us go, swiftly cutting through the air, like a speedy startled hare. Let's run, gotta run, let's run. Let's run, gotta run, let's run. Let's run, gotta run, 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 run.
Oh, cheese and whiskers. I can't look.
But, Bananas, what about your hiccups?
Hiccups?
We don't have the hiccups!
See? I knew if the bananas stopped thinking about the hiccups that they'd go away.
A banana-rific idea, Amy.
You've all been so helpful.
Thanks, Teddies. Thanks, Charlie.
And don't forget Rat.
Where is Rat?
Oh, up here! Oh, this watermelon is no cheese, but I must say, it's actually quite delicious.
Oh, you rat in a hat!
I love visiting Charlie, B2.
He's always inventing something interesting, B1.
Something banana-tastic.
Something pajama-rific.
Something we should hurry to see. Perhaps we should hurry slowly, B2.
Good idea, B1.
Here's my latest invention, Bananas. I invented it yesterday.
An ice cream.
But Charlie, ice cream's already been invented.
We've had ice cream forever.
It's not the ice cream. Press the small button on the cone and you'll see what I mean. It's my mechanical ice cream cone. Instead of you moving the cone as you lick and getting ice cream on your hand, the ice cream moves for you.
Jamarama.
Eating ice cream will be better than ever.
What's happening, Charlie?
They shouldn't be doing that. And the cone certainly shouldn't be doing that.
Ow!
Oh dear. Sorry, Bananas. I think they need a little fine-tuning. The bathroom's through there.
Thanks, Charlie.
Let's see what other new inventions I can show you.
We like that, Charlie.
Today I'm working on... Oh my! This can't be right. How extraordinary!
What is it, Charlie?
Nothing!
Nothing?
I have no other inventions to work on at all.
None?
Not a single one. What am I to do?
Perhaps you could...
Or maybe you could... Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's Charlie's holiday time!
You might be right, Bananas. Yes.
We'll start your holiday with a picnic.
Then we'll play some games and go for a swim.
That sounds excellent.
What are all those things, Charlie?
It's everything we might need for my holiday. Like this. Stand back. It's my umbrella-matic.
Perfect for our picnic.
I do like being prepared.
Have you seen Tolstoy today?
No, we haven't.
He went for a swim on the lake yesterday and he hasn't come home.
Oh, no!
Where could he be? I'm so worried.
You won't be worried for long.
Because we're going to go and find him.
You will? Oh, thank you.
How will we find him, B2?
Well, I'm not sure, B1.
It's all right, Bananas. I have the very thing we need. This should do it. My pop-up speedboat.
Ha! Just when we think you can't amaze us anymore, Charlie.
You continue to amaze us even more.
Thank you, Bananas. I try my best. I think we're ready, Bananas.
This boat will help us search the whole lake really quickly.
We'll bring Tolstoy home, Thomasina.
Oh, thank you. I do hope you find him soon.
Let's move off, Bananas. Steady as she goes.
Aye, aye, Skipper.
Good luck. Oh.
No sign of Tolstoy yet.
We hope you're not unhappy, Charlie.
Why would I be unhappy?
This is meant to be your holiday.
Don't worry, Bananas. I'd much rather be helping Tolstoy than having a holiday.
We would too.
Oh, I see something.
Is it Tolstoy?
No, it's a rock. and it's straight ahead. You better turn and go around it.
Right away, Charlie. Oh no!
What's wrong, B1?
The tiller! It won't budge!
I'll help you.
Now it's stuck the other way!
It's stuck again.
Pull harder!
Oh dear.
It's unstuck, B1.
Thank you, B2. Sorry about that, Charlie.
Charlie?
Oh no! We've lost Charlie!
Now we've got to look for Tolstoy and Charlie too.
Bananas! Someone's calling us!
Bananas! But who's calling us? Oof! Sorry, B1.
I'm sorry too, B2.
Here I am, Bananas.
It's Tolstoy!
We've been looking for you, Tolstoy.
And I'm happy you found me. My leg's caught in these reeds.
Not for long. We'll get you out.
Twist that,
Pull this.
and you're free!
Oh,
Thank you, Bananas.
no problem, Tolstoy.
But now we're all tangled.
Try and shake them off.
That did it. Great idea, Tolstoy. Oh,
Are you all right, Bananas?
we're fine, Tolstoy.
Now let's get you home.
Thomasina's very worried about you.
Then we should get home fast.
Fast it is, Tolstoy.
Something wrong, Bananas?
We can't go home yet. There's something we've got to do.
Something very important.
What is it?
We can't remember.
If only Charlie was here, he'd know.
Charlie! That's it. We've got to find Charlie.
Then we'll get home fast.
Why aren't we moving?
It's those reeds again. They've tangled the propeller.
Give it full power, B2.
Right, B1. Full power!
Be careful, Bananas. You don't want to lose control. Bananas?
We're back here, Tolstoy.
Oh, my.
Help us, Tolstoy.
How?
Slow the boat down!
Of course. Slow the boat down. I can do that. I can't do that.
Try again.
Please. Maybe this might work. That did it. But it didn't slow down the bananas.
Where are the bananas? Why haven't they come back for me? If I'm not mistaken, here they come! And there they go! How extraordinary!
Charlie,
Tolstoy, you're safe!
thanks to the bananas, I'm coming to pick you up.
What do we do, B2?
We've got to slow down sometime, B1,
We better slow down soon.
because we're running out of lake.
Goodness! Is that the bananas?
Hello, Thomasina.
Don't worry, Tolstoy's safe!
And he's right behind us.
Thank you, bananas! Bananas?
B1, grab the umbrella!
Grabbing now, B2. We got it.
It's working!
We're slowing down.
I'm so glad you're all right, Tolstoy.
Thanks to the bananas and Charlie.
Where exactly are the bananas?
They went that way.
Let's follow those tracks.
Excellent thinking, Tolstoy!
The tracks end here.
It's like they've just disappeared.
But where?
Up here!
Here we are!
You say I amaze you, Bananas, but you amaze me even more.
We hope it hasn't been a bad holiday, Charlie.
We had lots of things planned, but we didn't do any of them.
It's been a wonderful holiday, Bananas, and we can always do those other things tomorrow.
You want a holiday again tomorrow?
Not only tomorrow, but for the rest of the week.
Banana-tastic!
Could we join you?
I'd be delighted if you did.
Thanks, Charlie.
And I have just the thing to finish this holiday picnic.
Ice cream!
Ice cream?
Are they your special ice cream inventions?
Oh no, they're just normal ice creams.
Then we'll have one.
Yes, thank you, Charlie.
There'll be no more inventions today. After all, I'm on holiday.
Hooray!
Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they'll try to catch them unawares.
It's banana-tastic, B2!
Our best paper aeroplane ever, B1.
Pilot B1 to Pilot B2, ready for takeoff?
Pilot B2 to Pilot B1, I'm ready.
Take off! Whoa! Woo-hoo! It's flying! Our friends should see this, B2!
They'd love it, B1.
Whoa!
We're almost there. We've never made a bigger jigsaw than this one.
Last piece. Can I put it in?
It's all yours, Morgan.
Here goes. Ugh,
What was that? A paper aeroplane?
the last piece. I've lost it.
We'll help you. Oh, it can't be too far.
Ah. Found it.
Oh, no.
Oops.
I can't see our plane anywhere, Pilot B2.
I can't either, Pilot B1.
There it is!
We won't lose it this time.
Come on! Oh dear!
We've lost our plane again.
Oh, cheese and whiskers. It just isn't quite right. My big wall of me needs a little more work. Now, what if I put that one here and this one there? Oh, what is that? Go away. Shoo! Shoo! Oh, no! Oh, cheese and whiskers. My big wall of me is ruined.
Any sign of it, Pilot B2?
None at all, Pilot B1.
I see it! After it!
Following our plane is harder than I thought, Pilot B1.
You're right there, Pilot B2.
I think I have it. All I need is some blue for the sky, and it's finished. Just a little... Whatever was that? My painting!
Pilot B1 to Pilot B2. Do you see it?
Pilot B2 to Pilot B1? I think I do! And it's stopping!
We've got it!
Bananas!
So it's your paper plane that's responsible.
Is something wrong?
Your paper plane broke our jigsaw puzzle.
It destroyed my big wall of me.
And ruined my painting of Cuddlestone.
We're so sorry, everyone.
Very, very sorry.
You have to be careful when you play Bananas, so your games don't cause problems for others.
Yes, Bernard.
And I know exactly how to do it.
How?
We'll make the Bananas a special play zone.
That might work.
What do you think, Bananas?
If that's what you all want.
Then that's what we'll do.
It's the perfect solution to the problem. Trust me, Bananas, I'm a rat.
As soon as we paint our play zone,
We can start to play.
we'll make sure to stay inside it.
And all our friends will be happy.
I finished.
Me too. Let's play.
Ow! I think we've made our play zone too small, B2.
Way too small, B1.
There's no room to play any game in here.
We need to make a bigger play zone.
But we're out of paint.
Who would have more paint?
Charlie!
If the Bananas stay in their play zone, they'll never cause me any more trouble again. Oh, the joy! I'll hardly see them at all. I'll hardly see them at all. Oh, cheese and whiskers.
You need some paint, Bananas?
Yes, please, Charlie.
We want to paint some lines.
I have the very thing. I'll only be a moment.
Ooh! What is it, Charlie?
It's my hypoliner. It can paint lines in seconds.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's line
painting time!
Last piece.
No bananas in sight or paper planes. The coast is clear.
We've done it.
Yay! All thanks to the bananas staying in their play zone. We haven't seen them all morning.
We might not see them all day.
And maybe not tomorrow either.
It's going to be strange not having the bananas around.
I'm not sure I'm going to like it. Me neither.
Or me. Yes, there's no trouble and nothing is getting knocked over. But it's just not the same without the Bananas.
I agree. I was able to repair my painting, but I haven't seen the Bananas all day. It's very upsetting.
Let's tell them to forget about the play zone.
And they can play wherever they like.
Whose silly idea was this play zone anyhow? I always knew it was never going to work. Trust me, I'm a rat.
Ready to mark out our play zone, B2?
Ready when you are, B1.
Hyperliner to paint lines, now! Banana-tastic!
Another great invention from Charlie.
Bananas!
We have to talk to you. Huh? What?
Cheese and whiskers.
What is that thing?
It's the hyperliner.
It's marking out our play zone.
That's what we've come to see you about. We don't want you to just play in a play zone.
If you did that, we'd never see you.
And we don't want that at all.
The clever thing to do, which I know because I am a clever rat, is to forget about the whole thing.
Pyjama-rific!
So you can turn that thing off now.
Right away, Lulu.
Turning off hyperliner now.
Uh-oh. Our home's a mess, B2.
A big mess, B1.
We've got to stop it.
First, we have to catch it.
Get it.
We've got it!
What's going on in there?
Whatever it is, it can't be good.
Bananas?
Oh dear, I hope nothing bad has happened.
Those poor bananas. If only I could hear them saying they're banana-tastic.
We're okay, but our home isn't.
It's a big mess.
And it needs a big clean.
We'll help you.
And even I'll help bananas. As a supervisor, of course. Just a small spot over there, Amy. And don't forget that tiny speck there, Bernard.
I think we've nearly finished, Bananas. Your house is as good as new.
And from now on, you play wherever you want to play.
Forget all about play zones. What a silly idea.
A very silly idea. Not that I can remember who thought of it.
You stay, Bananas, and never change.
We can do that.
Bananas we are.
And bananas will always be. Sorry, everyone.
Oh, bananas!
You'll never tag me!
Oh! Me?
Yes, we will.
Oh, cheese and whiskers. Run, rat, run!
Did you see that?
I did see that. So beautiful.
So pretty.
You're it.
Tagged you.
You can't catch us. You can't catch.
Look what I found! Huh? Rat, I found it first.
You did not, Topsy. I found it first.
It's mine.
That's my shell.
It's mine.
Impossible.
It is.
We have a big problem, B2.
And we need the teddies, B1.
I tell you that it's mine.
But I saw it first. Now you don't have to argue. We can work this out. So, you both found the shell first?
I did.
And you both want to keep it?
I do.
Did you see who found the shell first, Bananas?
We really don't know, Teddies. Sorry.
Topsy, Rat, there's only one thing you can do. You'll have to share. Share? Is there a problem with sharing?
Oh, no. Me? Oh, I love to share.
Sharing is always best.
But how do we do it?
Well, one of you can have the shell for one day, and then the other can have it for the next day.
That was a great idea, Lulu.
Sharing will stop all the trouble.
Hey! I've got the shell for the first day.
Never. It's my day first.
Says who?
Says me.
Oh no! We didn't decide on who should have the shell first.
Who's going to decide that?
Because Topsy and Rat can't.
I think the banana should decide.
Us?
If you make the right decision, Bananas, there'll be a honey cake in it for you.
Choose me, Bananas, and I'll give you 2 honey cakes.
I know how to make it easy. Spin a coin.
Banana-tastic idea, Morgan.
Yes! Does anyone have a coin?
I don't have one. Is there something else we can spin?
We know what to spin.
Us!
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Oh, be careful, Bananas!
That's it. Topsy has the shell for the first day.
Thanks, Bananas! Here you are, Topsy. It's mine!
But only for today. Tomorrow it's mine.
Oh, you're so pretty. And you're really my shell. You shouldn't be Rat's shell. Just between you and me, I don't want to share you. Good night, little shell.
Oh, excuse me. I know it's very early, but it's never too early to get my shell. Topsy?
Huh?
Don't keep me waiting, Topsy.
Rat? Oh, he's here already.
I'm here already.
My shell! Where is it?
Topsy?
Hey!
Oh, sorry, Topsy. Now, where's my shell?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
It's gone.
Gone?
I love our early morning walks, B2.
There's no better way to start the day, B1.
And let's hope no one will argue about a shell today.
I don't think they will, B1, because Topsy and Rat are sharing.
I knew sharing would never work.
I never wanted to share.
Oh, no.
What have you done with my shell? You've hidden it, haven't you?
I did not. You must have taken it while I was sleeping.
What?
Both of you, stop. What's the problem now?
Why are you arguing?
The shell is gone and I think Rat's taken it.
And I think Topsy's not telling the truth. I'm sure she wants to keep it all for herself.
Oh, Topsy wouldn't keep the shell, Rat. And Rat wouldn't have taken it, Topsy. Then where is it?
Is that it over there?
It does look like a shell.
Oh, bananas, it couldn't be over there. What would the shell be doing over... Oh, cheese and whiskers. It is over there.
Far out.
How did it get here?
But that's not important. What matters is that it's mine for the day. Thank you. Now I'm going to enjoy my shell.
I'll see you first thing tomorrow, Rat, when it's my shell again.
My beautiful shell. You're home where you should be, with me. You are such a wonderful-looking thing. This calls for some cheese. I'm a rat, I'm a rat, I'm a happy, happy rat. Now, let me enjoy looking at you. Huh? My shell, where did it go?
Let's play a game.
We never did finish our game of tag.
Tag, we'll be in that.
I don't want to play. I just want to wait until I get my shell back.
The shell! The shell!
What about the shell, Rat?
It's gone!
Gone? Again? Oh, that shell has been nothing but trouble.
Well, one moment it was there, then the next moment it wasn't there. Oh, please, help me find my shell.
You mean my shell? Oh, it doesn't matter whose shell it is. We'll find it. Let's spread out.
How can a thing like a little shell suddenly disappear? Around 1 minute and gone the next. It should be just right here. Was it Topsy or that naughty rat who lost it overnight? One thing we know, and it's for sure, it's gone right out of sight. Things, stuff and things, we'd like to know where they go. Things, stuff and things, we'd like to know where they go. And where they go, we'd like to know, but I don't think we'll ever know. No, no, no. has to be somewhere we can find. It can't have gone too far. There's no way it can fly a plane or drive off in a motor car. Please, little shell, show us where you are. We want you safe and sound. We won't relax until we know that you've been found.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
The shell!
There it is!
Thank you, Bananas, for finding my shell.
You mean my shell, Rat? You can't look after it properly.
Of course I can.
But you just lost it.
And I just found it.
Excuse me, you two. Haven't you just noticed something?
Like what?
Didn't you see those tracks?
Tracks?
What about them?
Well, don't you know what they mean?
Could you give us a clue?
It means that the shell isn't yours, Rat.
It isn't.
And it's not yours either, Topsy.
Huh? Then whose shell is it?
It's his shell. It's his home.
Cheese and whiskers.
Far out!
Hello there, little crab. We're the bananas.
Once we saw the tracks, we knew there must have been a little crab living in the shell.
That's why it kept on disappearing. It's been trying to come back to the beach.
I'm so sorry, little crab.
Oh, me too.
I didn't know the shell was your home.
We didn't upset you, did we?
Oh, thank goodness for that.
We'll leave you alone now. Promise.
Bye-bye, little crab.
Bye.
Goodness me, what a day.
But it's not over yet, Rat.
It isn't? Why not?
Don't you and Topsy have to do something?
I guess we do. Sorry, Rat.
And I'm sorry too, Topsy. There are things I really shouldn't have said.
Me too.
Friends?
Friends!
Hooray! Let's celebrate.
With a game!
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's tag time!
And you're both it!
Run, everyone!
Oh dear, not more running. Oh, must we really?
We can do it, Rat. Come on!
Cheese and whiskers.